It's Rebecca with Rain Nail Studio, and today we have a restorative pedicure session. I've been seeing this client since October, and we've made lots of progress. As long as she keeps up with her at-home aftercare, her toenails will be beach ready in just a few months. I'm not sure what the cause for the toenails to grow like this was, but she did state that she's been to podiatrists several times. They've done testing for fungus, and it is not fungus. Her toenails are very thick and calloused, so all I did was go in with a coarse ceramic e-file bit and file down the thickness as much as I could. Since I've been seeing this client, I never hear her say that she's uncomfortable or anything like that. So just make sure that you're using your e-file bit correctly if you're having to do something like this on a client. Next, we are applying cuticle softener. This is to help me push back the cuticles and remove any dead skin or buildup in order to expose the new nail growth. Um, After this step, I'm going to go ahead and trim the toenails. A lot of her toenail when she came at first was detached. And in order to avoid injury or infection or anything, I never removed all of the detached toenail because I didn't want to expose her nail bed too much. But you can see here there is a line of demarcation of new healthy nail growth. So a yes to that. Not only is this the most important part of doing a pedicure, this is my favorite, okay? I love removing all of the buildup and cleaning up under there. But I usually do this just to see how far back I can actually trim the toenails. It's just kind of like a little, poking around to see what's detached and things like that. But this is the most satisfying part of pedicures for me. This is just the ends of this implement. I'm sorry, guys. The end of that implement has like little spoons at the end, so it gets in there really, really good and just scoops everything out without causing discomfort or hurting my clients. when doing your pedicure, it's really important to keep in mind body language, just in case your client gets uncomfortable. So I did have to adjust my pedicure station here because the way that the client's foot needs to be placed in order for you to be able to do your job is really important. But we did have to adjust for her, so that's what we did there. And here I'm just clipping away what I can. In the middle of this toenail, it is actually attached right there in the middle. So I try not to trim too much in that area or bother it too much because I really want to see, you know, how it's going to grow out. But again, on this toe, you can see the line of demarcation as well where that new growth is coming in. The next step before we get her back into the foot bath for another soak is to go over all of the nails with this medium ceramic bit. This bit is really just to help smooth out any, you know, cuticle, any more dead skin, just get rid of all the buildup that's left behind after cleaning. This bit is very, very helpful in avoiding discomfort to the healthier toenails. So she does have a couple of toenails that don't have any texture or any thickness. They're actually attached, and you'll be able to tell which ones those are. So this pedicure session is actually the last session that this client and I will have. It's very unfortunate that I will not be able to see the end of this, you know, journey. She is moving back home, and unfortunately there's not anyone in her area that can provide the same type of service. Our hopes are that she'll be able to come every few months. But this session, I really tried to get the toenails as thin and as short as possible so that she doesn't have to worry about it as much. But I really hope to see her in the future. I hope to keep you guys updated. And I'm just very happy with the progress that we've made. Like, her toenails look so much happier, and she is feeling much better about them. I'm just having high hopes that she'll be able to keep up with her at-home routine that I've given her. One, applying that medicated solution to her toenails, and of course keeping up with, you know, the bottom of her feet, the heels, and the dryness and things like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. At the end, I have a little, you know, after clip. And of course, she cannot wear nail polish because of the at-home care products that she's using. It just won't penetrate the nail like it needs to if she has polish on them. So we just did a little gel mani, you know, just to send her on her way to her new beginnings. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Make sure that you subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at BeccaB_. Again, my name is Rebecca, and I hope to see you soon.